Today is a very special day because I just ordered my very first and own and private little CNC machine. Guys, this moment is so special because this thing allows me to do literally everything I can imagine. So, big prototype parts made of sticker blocks or aluminum parts or wood parts, small batches, larger batches, big projects, very small tiny project. This thing runs with a precision of 0.05 millimeters. Yes, it's not the most accurate machine in the world, but this is not Titans of CNC, okay? This is just a guy in his cave with a bunch of crap now gets a CNC machine. So, in order to get this running, I need something where I can place it. So, this is just a carton, and as you can see, there's no enclosure to this. And this is why I ordered a bunch of these tubes. Okay, you can see they're like 1 meter and 1.5 meter. And we are now going to build an enclosure for the CNC. It's like a table with place on top for the CNC, an enclosure around it, and underneath there's enough space for like a cyclone filter for dust collecting from the machine, a 3D printer, and maybe stuff for like cooling and CNC tools, something. I don't know. I leave this space empty for now. I can show you here in the cut program what it's going to look like. And this needs to be welded. So I got this old, cheap, crappy, focus, stick welder. So let's see what this is going to look like. And this is what we are going to build. It is just a simple enclosure on wheels, enough space in the middle for the CNC machine, enough room on top for the vacuum and dust collection system. We will put some lights under here, some damping, and below there's enough space for 3 bamboo sized printers. I don't have one yet. I have Creality that's a bit modified and a bit taller than this. It will not fit, but maybe I'll find a solution for this. And because it's so cold in the shop, I may add a heating system, like an heater here on the side with some tubing to blow hot air here on the downside, but we will see later. So this enclosure with the walls, these panels here, will be the panels will be added later. And what we're doing right now is just the naked frame where we can put later the machine. So this is what we are going to build now. Let's see how it goes. So it is a couple of hours later, got work done. So let's get this rack enclosure thing going. Okay, it is the next day and we have a quick change in plan for the welding because I got this crappy old MMA welder, stick welder, and I'm very bad at this, at least at the moment, and I don't have the patience to learn that stuff right now because there's so much other stuff. My speakers are not ready yet, and the mill actually got a estimated delivery date about 6 weeks, and it arrived like 3 days after I ordered it. So it's quite a good thing that happened, that it comes so quick, but now I have so much stuff lying around, and long story short, I got a nice little MIG welder. So it's not a real MIG welder because it's operating without gas, but I got some structural okay-ish rails for this, and it's much more easy to handle, and I will go with this one. Okay, let's see what this happened now. I made this plan here. So it's not an enclosure, it's like a cage because there's no walls in it, but these are the lengths, all sizes in millimeter plus sizes. ST is piece, and let's see where we go. Red? done. As you can see, the enclosure is done. I added some nice little swing doors from both sides. They look up and down here. So that's a very nice job. Oh, I'm dirty. And now I can start building this machine. I'm very excited about this. Unfortunately, it is very, very cold inside here. So it's mid of November in Germany. And we have about, I don't know, like 6 degrees outside, Celsius. Yeah, and I now have to clean up this mess, and then I hope before Christmas, hopefully before Christmas, long before Christmas, actually end of the month, let's say end of the month, start of December, this thing will make its first parts. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. Okay, bye bye.